In this section, we will be exploring the key aspects of the CompTIA PenTest PT0-003 certification course. This course is designed to prepare you for the PenTest PT003 exam, equipping you with the necessary skills and knowledge for penetration testing. You'll learn how to plan, conduct, analyze, and report on penetration tests, providing valuable insights and actionable recommendations to improve the security posture of an organization. The course content is structured to ensure you gain practical, hands-on experience with real-world scenarios. By the end of this course, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of the penetration testing lifecycle, from information gathering and vulnerability identification to exploitation and reporting. This will enable you to effectively prepare for the certification exam and advance your career in cybersecurity. Now, let's delve into the specific tools and software you'll need to familiarize yourself with to efficiently carry out penetration testing tasks. These tools will be integral to your learning experience and practical application of the skills covered in the course. In this slide, we are focusing on the essential software tools you'll need as you prepare for the CompTIA PenTest Plus PT0-003 certification. The PenTest Plus exam requires hands-on skills, so having the right software at your disposal is crucial. This list of software is designed to help you practice and hone your penetration testing skills. It's also a valuable resource for training providers looking to create a comprehensive lab environment for their students. Familiarizing yourself with these tools will not only prepare you for the exam, but also equip you with practical experience that is highly valuable in the field of cybersecurity. The current slide provides a proposed software list for candidates preparing for the CompTIA PenTest Plus PT0-003 certification exam. This list serves as a guideline to ensure candidates are familiar with essential tools necessary for the exam. Training companies can also leverage this list to develop lab components for their courses, helping students gain practical experience with these tools.
Access to cloud environments is crucial for penetration testing. This slide emphasizes the significance of having both command line interface, CLI, and management console access to cloud services. CLI tools such as AWS CLI and Azure CLI are essential for efficient interaction with cloud resources. With commands like AWS EC2 describe instances or AZVM list, testers can enumerate and manage cloud instances directly from the command line, enabling automated and scripted operations. On the other hand, management consoles like the AWS Management Console and the Azure Portal provide a user-friendly, web-based interface for handling cloud resources. These consoles allow for comprehensive management of the cloud environment, from deploying to configuring and monitoring various services. Furthermore, having instances of cloud services such as EC2 instances in AWS or Azure virtual machines is a fundamental aspect. These virtual servers in the cloud are vital for deploying applications and services needed for thorough and effective penetration testing. By leveraging these tools, professionals can replicate real-world scenarios, ensuring a rigorous assessment of security practices. On this slide, we are going to discuss the various operating systems you might encounter and need for penetration testing environments in the CompTIA PenTest Plus PT0-003 certification course. First, let's cover commercial operating systems. Examples of these are Windows Server and Red Hat Enterprise Linux. When using commercial operating systems in your testing environments, it's important to remember that these require appropriate licensing. You will need to ensure you have the correct licenses in place to legally use them for your penetration testing activities. Next, we'll look at open-source operating systems, such as Ubuntu and CentOS. These systems are free to use, modify, and distribute, making them an excellent choice for setting up penetration testing labs. Their open-source nature provides greater flexibility and can often result in cost savings for your testing environments. Understanding the distinctions between commercial and open-source operating systems and their licensing requirements is critical as you build and maintain your testing environments for the CompTIA PenTest PT0-003 certification.
Moving on to penetration testing frameworks, two of the most popular tools in this category are Metasploit and Burp Suite. Metasploit is a widely used project that provides a collaborative platform for security professionals to develop, test, and exploit known vulnerabilities in a controlled environment. It offers a rich set of features such as automated testing, payload generation, and exploit development, making it a cornerstone in many penetration testing toolkits. Burp Suite, on the other hand, is an integrated platform specifically designed for the security testing of web applications. It includes various tools like an intercepting proxy, a web spider, and a vulnerability scanner, all aimed at thoroughly assessing the security of web-based applications. Both Metasploit and Burp Suite are essential for conducting comprehensive penetration testing and gaining accurate insights into the security posture of your targets.
In this slide, we will cover the essential virtual machine software tools used in penetration testing. Virtual machine software like VMware Workstation and Oracle VM VirtualBox are critical as they allow you to run multiple operating systems on a single physical machine. This capability is extremely useful for penetration testing, as it provides a versatile environment for testing various configurations and scenarios without the need for multiple physical devices. To get started with virtual machines, here are some commands you will use. For VMware Workstation, you can start a VM using the command vmrun start c-path-uvm.vmx. For Oracle VM VirtualBox, initiate a VM with the following command: vboxmanage start VM my VM name. By mastering these virtual machine tools and commands, you can effectively simulate multiple environments, making your testing process more thorough and efficient. Continuing with our software list for the CompTIA PenTest PT0-003 certification, let's delve into scanning tools. These tools are essential for identifying and addressing vulnerabilities within your systems. Starting with vulnerability scanning tools, examples include Nessus and OpenVAS. These applications are invaluable for detecting known vulnerabilities in a network or system, allowing you to proactively prioritize and mitigate potential threats. Next, we have SAST, or Static Application Security Testing tools, such as Checkmarx and SonarCube. These tools scan source code to find vulnerabilities early in the development cycle, providing an opportunity to fix issues before the software is deployed. Finally, DAST, or Dynamic Application Security Testing tools like OWASP Zap and WebInspect, focus on analyzing running applications. These tools dynamically test your applications to uncover vulnerabilities that could be exploited during runtime. Understanding how to utilize each of these tools effectively will significantly enhance your ability to secure and maintain robust systems.
In this slide, we are focusing on credential testing tools, which are essential for penetration testing. Credential testing tools help us evaluate the security of authentication mechanisms. First, we have spraying tools like Hydra and Medusa. These tools attempt to authenticate by using common or leaked passwords, making it possible to identify weak credentials that are susceptible to attacks. Next, we have password crackers such as John the Ripper and Hashcat. These tools are used to crack hashed passwords and retrieve their plain text equivalents, enabling us to assess how strong and resilient the existing password policies are within a system. Understanding and utilizing these tools effectively is crucial for identifying potential vulnerabilities related to user authentication and implementing better security practices.
In this slide, we switch our focus to application security tools, an essential component for the CompTIA PenTest PT0-003 certification. Application security tools are designed to identify and remediate security vulnerabilities at the application layer. Two prominent examples are AppScan and Veracode. AppScan is widely used to scan web applications for security risks and provide actionable remediation advice. Veracode, on the other hand, offers a comprehensive suite for static, dynamic, and software composition analysis. Understanding and utilizing these tools helps ensure that applications are secure against common vulnerabilities, such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and other code-based threats. This aspect of pen testing not only involves the detection of potential threats, but also the implementation of fixes to enhance the security posture of applications.
In this section of our CompTIA PenTest plus PT0-03 certification course, we will focus on debuggers. Effective debugging is crucial for analyzing and troubleshooting binaries and applications. Examples of commonly used debuggers include GDB, the new debugger, which is widely utilized for debugging programs written in languages such as C and C++, and OllyDbg, a popular choice for analyzing and debugging Windows applications. These tools help identify and resolve issues at a binary level, allowing for a deeper understanding of vulnerabilities and the remediation process.
This slide focuses on wireless testing tools for the CompTIA PenTest Plus PT0-003 certification. Wireless testing tools are essential for analyzing and cracking wireless networks. Two common examples are AirCrack-NG and Kismet. AirCrack-NG is renowned for its ability to crack weapon PA/PSK keys, making it a powerful tool in network penetration testing. It captures packets and attempts to recover keys in real time. Kismet, on the other hand, is a network detector and sniffer. It helps identify wireless networks and detect hidden networks by collecting packets and analyzing their content. These tools are invaluable for understanding and evaluating the security posture of wireless networks, making them essential for any pen tester specializing in wireless security.
In this course, we're looking at essential tools for penetration testing, which is crucial for the CompTIA PenTest Plus PT0-003 certification. The current focus is on web proxy tools. These are indispensable for intercepting and modifying web traffic, allowing you to perform thorough analysis and testing on web applications. Key examples include Burp Suite and OWASP Zap. Both tools provide comprehensive features for testing web security by capturing HTTP requests and responses, allowing you to customize and manipulate them for deeper insights into potential vulnerabilities. Mastering these tools will significantly enhance your ability to perform effective web application security assessments.
In this slide, we will be discussing social engineering tools, which are an important aspect of the CompTIA PenTest Plus PT0-003 certification course. Social engineering tools like the Social Engineer Toolkit set and GoPhish are essential for simulating phishing attacks and testing human vulnerabilities. SET is designed to automate a variety of social engineering attacks, such as phishing, credential harvesting, and more. GoPhish, on the other hand, excels at creating and managing phishing campaigns, allowing you to evaluate how susceptible your target is to phishing attacks. These tools help penetration testers identify and exploit the human element, which is often the weakest link in an organization's security.
In this segment, we will delve into remote access tools, which are crucial for penetration testing activities. Some of the primary software tools we utilize include SSH, Secure Shell, and RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol. These tools allow us to gain remote access to systems, facilitating a thorough assessment of vulnerabilities and security postures from various locations. SSH is widely used for secure remote logins and command execution on servers, while RDP is a Microsoft protocol that allows users to connect to another computer over a network connection, effectively managing systems as if the user were sitting in front of them. Familiarity with these tools is essential for effective and secure remote administration during penetration tests.
Let's move on to network tools in the context of our software list for the CompTIA PenTest Plus PT0-003 certification course. Network tools are essential for capturing and analyzing network packets. One such tool is Wireshark, a widely used protocol analyzer that allows you to see the details within network packets. Another important category is sniffing tools, such as TCP-dump. TCP-dump is a powerful command line utility used to monitor and capture network traffic. For instance, using the command tcp-dump-i eth0, you can start capturing traffic on a specific network interface. Both Wireshark and TCP-dump are crucial for network traffic analysis and monitoring, helping you to identify potential security issues within network communications.
Building on the previous discussion of network tools and protocol analyzers, let's now focus on mobility testing tools. These tools are crucial for analyzing and testing mobile applications for security vulnerabilities. Two key examples are Drozer and MobSF, which stands for Mobile Security Framework. Drozer allows you to audit the security of Android devices and applications, providing a comprehensive toolkit to interact with and manipulate these mobile environments. MobSF, on the other hand, supports both Android and iOS and helps automate the process of security assessment. It analyzes binaries and source code to identify potential vulnerabilities in mobile applications. These tools are vital for ensuring that mobile applications are secure and comply with best practices in cybersecurity. They help in identifying weaknesses that could be exploited, thereby safeguarding the integrity and confidentiality of mobile user data. In this segment, we will discuss open source and publicly available SIEM, IDS IPS, and endpoint security tools. These tools are crucial for collecting, analyzing, and interpreting security data from various sources, which is fundamental for detecting threats and responding effectively. The examples we'll look at include the ELK stack, Snort, and OSEC. The ELK stack, which comprises Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana, is widely used for aggregating and visualizing log data, making it easier to identify suspicious activities. Snort is a well-known IDS IPS tool that can detect and prevent intrusions in real time through signature-based detection. OSEC is another powerful IDS tool that offers host-based intrusion detection and monitoring. These tools allow security professionals to gain deep insights into network activities, helping to ensure robust and proactive security postures within their infrastructures.
In this section, we'll be discussing command and control, or C2, tools, which are essential in post-exploitation activities and for maintaining control over compromised hosts. Examples of such tools include Cobalt Strike and Empire. These tools are crucial for conducting sophisticated penetration tests because they allow testers to simulate real-world cyber attacks, including how adversaries can maintain long-term control over a target environment. Understanding how to effectively use C2 tools will enhance your capability to identify and mitigate potential security threats, making them an integral part of your skill set as you prepare for the CompTIA PenTest Plus PT0-003 certification.
Experimentation is critical to the process of gaining true knowledge, as William Blake eloquently put it. This quote underlines the core principle behind our approach to the PenTest Plus PT0-003 certification. By actively experimenting with and utilizing various tools such as Cobalt Strike and Empire, you gain practical experience and a deeper understanding of post-exploitation activities and maintaining control over compromised hosts. This concludes our software list section, reinforcing the importance of hands-on learning in cybersecurity.